All right, once you enter the new science building from the parking lot, this is what you're going to see when you go into the lobby. It's kind of messy right now. I'm sure we're going to kind of rearrange everything, but there are going to be sign-in sheets, either one right here, or I think they're setting up two different ones. So just look for your name and sign in to the correct part. Really easy to get to our lab building. So you'll sign in. Wherever the sign-in tables are, you're going to write your information. And then you're going to, from the lobby, you're going to turn left. Our lab is 115. It's on the first floor, so you don't have to go up the stairs or anything like that. Just turn left, walk through these double doors. And then as soon as you get to this long stretch, it's going to be I believe the second door on the left. So not that one, that's a classroom, but the very next door on the left, 115. I will try to be here at least 15 minutes before the beginning of class every day. Like with the door open, I'll be down here, so you can just go straight in. You don't have to wait in the hall. I know we're trying not to congregate as much as possible. But that's where we're going to be. Hopefully that helps. Again, we just don't want people like trying to find a classroom, walking around, possibly passing other people and everything on the first day. So just get here a little bit early. I'll have the door open for us, and we'll see you soon.